Hello tubers and welcome back to Grow It Yourself. Today I'm going to show you how to grow lemon balm with seeds. Ideally, lemon balm seeds need to be sown while it's still cold outside and preferably 2 to 3 weeks before the last frost. Now I don't have frost in my area, so in such a case it's ideal to have treated seeds for that purpose. I was not sure whether these seeds are treated or not, so I'm going to treat half of the seeds available in the packet myself. All you need to do is to spread it out on a wet tissue paper, fold up that paper and keep it in the refrigerator for about a week. Do not put it in the freezer. Do not let the temperatures go below zero. Now you might be wondering why not below zero. Frost is ideally below zero. But the thing is that in natural conditions, once you have frost at night, the sun eventually comes out, it thaws, you have a slightly warmer condition. But in this case, since we are putting it in a fridge, the temperatures would be constantly low. So that is why we do not want to freeze it at any point in time, and that's why we keep it in the fridge. So moving on to the technique to prepare the seeds, that is to spread it out on a tissue paper, wet up that tissue paper, fold it, put it in a plastic bag, a ziploc bag, or a make to plastic bag like I have done it, and keep it in the fridge for about a week or 10 days. Once that is done, your seeds, you will see that they are a bit puffy, and that's exactly what we want. The purpose of putting it in a plastic or a ziploc bag is just to retain the moisture. Now for the soil, lemon balm requires a well drained but at the same time moist soil. It does not need to be very rich in nutrients. So I'm going to use a soil which has a 1/4 composition of garden soil, 1/4 compost, 1/4 river sand or any other material that can make the soil well drained, and 1/4 cocoa peat. So I've prepared this soil, and make sure your container is well drained. It has sufficient drainage holes in the bottom. I am dividing my pot into two halves to sow the treated seeds in one and the seeds directly out of the packet in the other, so that I know which one grow better, and in the future I know whether these seeds were originally treated or not. So these are the seeds directly from the packet, and I'm just going to sprinkle them evenly across the pot. Because the seeds are very small, it's rather difficult to sow them in rows or cover it with the right amount of soil. So I'll let nature take its course. I'll just sprinkle these seeds across the pot, and once I water them, the soil will automatically cover the seeds and put them at the ideal depth. I'm going to sow the treated seeds in the second half of the pot. I'm going to use the same technique of sprinkling them out. The ideal time to sow these seeds would be while it's still cool outside. I'm in New Delhi, India, and I'm sowing these seeds in early Feb, so it's still quite pleasant outside. If you live in an area where you do not enjoy cooler temperatures, then I would recommend starting the seeds indoor. Once your seeds sprout, you can move them to a partially shaded area because they need to get used to the higher temperatures slowly. If you put them out in the sun directly, then they might just dry away. Now we will wait for the seeds to sprout. We will water them every 2 to 3 days. We don't want to overwater them so that the seeds don't rot. Lemon balm seeds require a lot of time to sprout, ideally between 1 to 2 months. That's because they develop an extensive root system before they show any leaves. So keep watering them in this duration and wait for it. In 1 to 2 months, you should get your results. I will be making another video on how to propagate your lemon balm further, so stay tuned for that. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.